Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to create an Animoji on an iPhone. So this is only available after the iPhone 10. So if you have any, go try it out. First you have to go to the Messages app. And then click the blue icon with a paper and a pencil if it is. And then click the third icon from these all weird icons. Just press the third icon, which is stickers. And then if you want, you can put it full screen. And then press the three-dot blue button. And then press new Memoji. And then you start creating your Animoji. So first what you need to do is select your skin color. So mine is kind of like this one. Just make it a little more lighter. I think it's good. Okay, so next what you need to do is put on your freckles if you have. So I don't have freckles, so I'm not gonna choose any. It looks like this if you have it, but I don't have, so I'm not gonna put that. Then we have cheeks. So this is for people who always put blush on their face, like makeup. But I don't actually do, but I really want some light ones, like these, like light ones. I like that. Okay, so that's, if you want, you can choose, you can customize it. There's even more colors if you want, but I don't want any more. I don't want like blue on cheeks. That's gonna be so weird. Okay, now next we have beauty spot. So who all has beauty spot on their faces? It's for them, but I don't. So I'm not going to be choosing. So next is hairstyle. So in hairstyle, you get to choose whatever hairstyle you like. So many people can do any of these hairstyles, but some can't. So I usually put in a ponytail. I actually like this ponytail. I'm actually wearing a ponytail right now. Yeah, or should I wear a braided one? Is it good? I think it's a ponytail is better for me. Yeah, I feel like ponytail is good. Okay, now next is brows. So in brows, you get to choose what kind of eyebrows do you have. You can see these eyebrows. I just want to change a little. I think I have these or these. These or these or these or these. Let me see. I feel like I have these, or like one of these. I think I have these. This is much better, okay? So I have these. Next we have forehead mark. So this Apple has created this section especially for Indians, but I don't wear forehead marks, I don't. So I'm not gonna be choosing any. Then we have brow piercing. Some people have their brows pierced, but I don't, so I'm not going to be choosing them. Like, it will look like this. Only some people do that, not most of the people. So I don't have, so I'm going to be keeping it clean. So next we have eyes. So in eyes, you get to choose what kind of eye shape you have. So I basically have like a, I have a different kind of eye shape, but if I choose any, it looks like I'm sleeping. I'm like so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. But this is better. Okay, this is better. So I'm going to be choosing this. I'm not going to be changing it for good. Then we have eyelashes. So this is for people who wear mascara. So I don't wear it. Actually, this looks cool. Actually, this looks cool, guys. Should I wear this or this? Comment down below, guys. Comment down below. Which one do you like? I'm changing right now. I think I like this one. Or should I wear the 3 ones or like the 5 ones? I think this one is more better because it's usual. Actually, I don't want any. I'm going to be putting it as default because I'm getting confused right now. We have an eyeliner. This is for girls, and if they wear eyeliners, then you can choose one. So I basically don't wear any, so I don't think I need any. But I do wear sometimes, but not every time. I actually like this one. But you can even change the colors, like dark blue, we can put light blue. Can you see guys? Can you see guys? See green, but I just wear black. That's the best thing. Okay, so then we have eyeshadow. Who's the one who puts eyeshadow on their eyes? Comment down below. Yeah. So I don't wear eyeshadow, so I'm gonna keeping it default. But if I do wear the brown ones, it's gonna be weird. I don't like that. But sometimes I like, but sometimes I don't. So that's a good fact. Okay, now next is head.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, enough. So here in head.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Oh, please stop. Oh, please stop. And we have the first section called age. So people who's like babies and all, they get to have this one. But I look very weird in this. So I'm gonna be keeping it middle-aged. But this is for older aged people. I'll be choosing this. But then we have the shape.
What shape is this? What shape is this? What's the name of this shape?
So we can choose our head shapes here. Well, talking about me,
It's got 3 sides, it's got 3 corners.
I don't think I have any of my shapes in here.
What's the name of this shape?
Does this look like mine? It's kind of weird. Oh, wait, no, keep it back.
No, God!
Actually, this looks cool. Wait, something actually worked. Dad, this looks cool. Better than this. I like this one. Yeah, I like this one. Let's go to nose.
And eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
Next, we have nose. So nose, you get to choose about how much long you want your nose in. So, do you want it to be short? Or do you want to be kind of large? Or do you want to be really large? Looks like real noses. Which one? Comment down below right now. Which one suits me? My nose is growing. Yeah. Okay. Better not do that. I'm just gonna be keeping it default. Next we have nose piercing. This is for people who have pierced nose. Oh my god, this one looks like a bull. Okay, I'm gonna keeping it default because I don't have any piercing. Now we have mouth. So here we can choose the lips shape, large or small or thin. So mine is actually really thin, but I don't want this one. It's gonna look weird. Yeah, I want to put like a pink kind of light ones, or like dark ones. Let's see. OMG, no, default. OMG, no. OMG. That was so weird. Wait, I kind of differentiate my lips here. See, as default. That's much better. Okay, so after this, we have the teeth. So people who have braces can choose this. And if you want to look like a vampire, put this. And if you have a loose tooth on your right, put this. And if you have no teeth on the front, middle part, then put this. But it's gonna look funny. If you want, you can put. No, I don't have any of those. And it even has a gold tooth. Wow. Okay, so I have normal teeth. So I'm gonna put this. Then we have mouth piercing. So people who have piercings in their mouth, like this one, kind of looks weird. It looks like the beauty spots, but I don't actually have any piercing. It looks really weird. So I'm gonna put the default. Now we have tongue piercing. People who have piercing on the tongue. I haven't changed colors. I don't have any. I'm gonna keep it default. Much better. Now we have ears. So people who have small ears, medium ears, and large ears. So people say I have really small ears, so I'm gonna put small. Does it look normal or is it okay? I'm gonna keep it small ears because my ears are small. Okay, next we have earrings. So if you wear any kind of these earrings, but yeah, I do wear these kind of earrings, but they're blue. Do they have blue? Kind of like dark blue. Oh, this is like mine. Oh, great. I love this. These earrings are pretty. Now we have audio. So people who have AirPods or EarPods, whatever you say, I kind of like these. I really want some, but I don't wear them, so I'm going to keep it default. Now we have facial hair. So this is mainly for men's who have like hair on their ears. And we have mustache and beard for men's too. It kind of looks weird. I don't want them. So that's all. It's fully for men's mustaches and beards, but I don't wear them, so I'm not gonna choose that anyway. I'm a girl. We have eyewear. So if you wear glasses, oh, this one looks so cool. Oh God, this looks so cool. Where's that thingy on like connecting your glasses to your ears? That's not there. Big fault, disclaimer, what is this? Please fix this. It's floating, OMG, it's floating. It's floating, my glasses are floating, but I don't have them, so where's the default? OMG, there's no default. Help me please. Oh, there's default. Finally. Okay, now next we have iPad. So this is like people who wants to be a pirate. Does that make sense? So I don't like to be any pirates, or I'm not having any patches on my eyes, so I'm not gonna do that. Next we have headgear. So if you have any hats, if you wear any hats, or like these are like different. They even made for people for like different regions, like Muslim, Hindu, Christian, many kind of regions. They even separated them, but I don't wear hats, so I'm not gonna put that. So finally, your Animoji is done. So excited. So now let's done. Now you can get your Animoji. So if you want to actually animate yours, press the 5th icon, which is called Animoji. And then you can put it to full screen if you want. And wait until it comes. Wait and wait. Okay. Now press the one which you have made, and voila! You're animating it. You can even take videos, you can take photos, and plenty more. So hope you like it, guys. So it's the ending of this video. So as told, in every video I'll make some shout outs. Let's do them. So guys, today's shout out goes to Ramnath Shamil. Wow, congratulations, you got a shout out. And about the user I told last video, she actually changed it into #LifeStuffSquad. She actually didn't edit it, but she just commented on the comment section on the last video. So if you guys also want a shout out in the next video, comment down below #LifeStuffSquad, so you might be featured in my next video. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.